So, hello students, how are you all? We are back in 11.2 exercise. In this part, also you have to do factorization. But this is not as easy as before. We have to group it first. So, the grouping method you have to first learn over here. Okay, let me show you one grouping method. That is for one part 1. In one part 1, let me write the sum first. X squared plus xy minus x minus 1. So in here, first of all, you have to choose the group. I'm grouping this and this. So I have two groups over here. Right now, I will work for this first. Then after that, I will move to the second. So you have to do the same factorization method for the first one. What I told you, take out the most possible common factor. So as you can see, x is the most possible common factor from the first group. Now in the second group, that is minus x minus y. If you take out minus 1, this is the most possible common factor in the second group. Those who didn't understand this step, just multiply minus 1 with x, then with y. You will understand that this part will come again. So that is how I am taking minus 1 as the common factor from the second group. I hope the idea will be clear to you. Achha. Now see, we have to check it as total. And just like the last sum, you can take also x plus y equal to z. So you will understand this better that x plus z will there and minus z will. And the idea is pretty much simple. Take out the z as common factor, x minus 1 will be there, and put the value of z. Very easy one. And those who want to do it directly without taking z, also you can do that. No issue. But those who not understanding this part, I am doing it for them as taking let x plus y as z. Very easy one. No need to rush over here. Okay. Moving to 3 part 1. So what I told you extra over here, that you have to do the grouping. So let me write the sum first. What is given? That is 3 part 1. Okay. So a square b minus a b square plus 3a minus 3b. This thing is actually given to you. All you have to do, you have to take out the first groups. So that is totally up to you how you have to choose. More you will practice this kind of sums, you will get the idea that how you have to get the groups. So this is taking as first group, this is as second group. So what you have to do? Work for the first group. If you take out the first group, I am doing it directly. Check the first variable. What is the minimum amount of first variable? That is A. A is the minimum that present in both of the terms. So take out A. Also B is the minimum that present in both of the terms. So if you take out AB, only A square, only A minus B will remain over there. Acha, coming to the second group right now. In second group, if you notice one thing, that 3 is the common factor, very easily present over there. So if you take out 3, it will be A minus B. Now those who finding that let z part is quite easy, you can do it also like that. Z equal to A minus B, let, then it will be A, B, Z plus 3Z. So take out the z as common factor and you got ab plus 3. Finally, if you put the value of z, don't forget to put the value of z at the last answer. Otherwise, that will be completely invalid. So this is your final answer. So you got the total idea right now where you got final factorization. One more thing I want to show you over here, that initially it is given in addition and subtraction format. Finally you are getting in multiplication or common factor format. So until you will get common factor format, don't finish your sum. Only stop when you will get this kind of multiplicative format. That is actually called the factorization. Okay, so I hope the idea is clear to you right now. Let me move to another sum. That is, let me choose which one. Let's do the last one. That is 6 part 2. Okay, in 6 part 2. In 6 part 2, all you have 2a minus 4b minus xa plus 2bx. Okay, so we have to think it a little bit over here, that how we can find the answer from here. 2a minus 4b. Okay, if I do it as group, it will be remain as a minus b, a minus 2b most possible. So without thinking further, we are just taking these two as the group. So first one, that is 2 common, a minus 2b will remain. Very nicely done. And in second one, I'm taking a as common. So while you got minus x as common, you have a minus 2b. Those who didn't understand how you get a minus 2b, just multiply minus x with each of these terms and you will get the previous part. That is how you will understand this. Okay, so finally also the z, let z equal to a minus 2b. So while you have the value, right now just put it 2z minus xz. So finally take out the z as common factor, 2 minus x. Finally, you have to put the value of z, a minus 2b, 2 minus x. So that's it. That is your answer. You got the factorization. So I hope you like this one, and if you have any doubt, don't forget to write it in the comment section. Till then, we will meet in the next video.